Hi all, good morning. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Pari. I love experimenting with things, topics, for content I mean. So on my channel you'll really find a lot of varied stuff, right from like comic things to food recipes to craft recipes. I mean, did I just say craft recipes? To crafts. And now I'm on this new trend of trying daily vlogs. So if you would like to stay with me on my journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down or like this video or share this video. I'm still trying. This is all like a trial and error basis for me, and that's why I decided that I'm going to try this for 7 days, this whole daily vlog routine, and I'm going to then come up with an 8th day vlog where I'm just going to talk about the positives and the negatives, or sort of the obstacles that I faced while doing these daily vlogs. And this will be inclusive of me being a housewife currently and doing all the things. So what did I face as an obstacle, what I could have done better? Those are the kind of things that I would like to speak to you about. And if you're watching all of these and you have doubts for yourself, you can please put in the comments below so that I can answer those questions specifically for you in that video which I will make on the 8th day. Apart from that, next week I would like to try through my daily vlog some sort of disciplined routine. Like now that I am doing, oh yes, on that discipline thing, I actually remembered. Good news guys, as opposed to the last 2 days. Yesterday I slept at I think 2:30, which is almost an hour from 3:30 like earlier, and I slept at 2:30 and I woke up today at 9. Of course, the spasms got me at least 3 or 4 times in the night. I remember waking up and putting on the hot bag and then switching it off and trying to sleep again. It got me, but then, are you seeing how the clock is getting reversed now? I'm getting up early, trying to sleep also early. Hopefully in another 1 week or so. My aim here is to actually sleep before 12 or at 12 and wake up by 6 at the max. But right now, that is my goal. Once I get to that and I'm able to follow that strictly for at least a month, then I will probably try to schedule it earlier, so maybe 11 and 5. Ideally I would need at least 6 hours. We'll try to get more than that, but at least 6 hours is minimum, so that's a good thing. So about the discipline thing, I was telling you that I want to shoot a separate video of a 1 week challenge of this really lazy Japanese exercise method, right, which I saw some YouTubers trying out, and I really want to try that as well, because not only does it help you reduce little bit of weight, it actually reduces your waist. And my waist right now, I'll show you that separately in that video. So I plan to do that. And not only this method, I also want to try other weight losing methods, because that is my #1 priority at the moment, apart from this disciplining myself thing with the daily chores of my house and everything. Apart from that, I also want to reduce weight, as I mentioned to you in my first daily vlog attempt video, part 1. If you haven't seen it, here will be the link somewhere. Please go and watch it, where I mentioned I need to get back my ideal weight. My ideal weight ideally would be somewhere between 49 kgs to like 50 to 53 kgs, not more than that, which means we have over 10 kgs to reduce. I'm not sure the exact math. I think around 14 kgs. I'm not sure. If it's wrong math, please excuse me. Math was never my strength. Also, after this 7-day challenge, most likely I will be posting videos regularly for 5 days in a week, which is Monday to Friday. So it will be technically like my daily job. And Saturday, Sunday, I would like to get rest and maybe, come up with more topics for the coming week and everything. Because ideally in a corporate job also that is the case, right? You recoup in the weekend, plan for your next week, and in the week you work hard as hell. So that is going to be my idea. Since I started midweek, I think I started on Tuesday or Wednesday, the videos. I would like to complete the 7-day challenge, then bring you to the 8th day, which is the pros and cons, or however I felt doing the 7-day challenge. Then take that weekend off, and from Monday, after the 8th video, the coming Monday, from that Monday I will start 5 videos in a week. That is how I am planning this. But life has a funny way of mistreating you sometimes, so I always keep that 1% or 2% thought in my mind that things could go south, right? Because my chums are coming up and I am going to be in pain for the first 2 days. So those days maybe I'm just going to talk to you from my bed the whole day. Please, support me on that, because I will really not be able to move. I'm trying to work on the pain by taking some medication, some Ayurvedic medication. I'm hoping in a couple of months it will reduce my pains drastically, because the first day of my chums every month, it is painful, and my husband is witness. It is very painful for me. Or let me tell you this, from a very young age, the threshold of the pain for this particular thing every month for me has been at an all-time low. It's like at your lower stomach, right? So that kind of connects you to your leg, your back. And just imagine if those two things are dysfunctional, how frustrating it may be because of the stupid pain in your lower abdomen. That is my thinking. It kind of disables me completely. And in those days, in fact, I can sit and work my hands like crazy. I have no issues using my hands, to cook, to cut, whatever. But bring the kitchen to me because I can't move my ass. It's that painful. So you never know. Like I said in my first video, the future's in the future, right? Today is what matters. For today's plan, what I have in mind is I have to get to the clothes. That is my main plan. While that is happening, while the water is filling, while it is, the clothes are getting washed, I have to get to my editing. That is my top priority for today because I have nothing to post for tomorrow otherwise. So that's that. And yeah, so 2 videos plus this video that I'll be shooting today. Once these 2 main things are done, which is washing clothes and editing, I am then going to try to study for 2-3 hours at least. On the food front, I don't have to cook anything, thank goodness. For now, these are the main things on my head, which is washing the clothes, editing and studying. So, see you in my vlog. Ta-ta!